During the three-day visit of President Barack Obama to New Delhi, India and the US embarked on a new initiative in the Asia-Pacific and the Indian Ocean regions, the roadmap of which has yet to be defined. Our political editor Smita Prakash has more in this report.
With the second visit of President Barack Obama to India in his two terms, there has been a marked shift in relations. Besides a forward movement on the civilian nuclear deal and defense and trade-related matters, the two sides signed a unique joint strategic vision for the Asia-Pacific and Indian Ocean region, which essentially recognizes the need for greater engagement by India in that region. The document also mentions the imperative for freedom of navigation in South China Sea, which seems to demonstrate that India is not shying away from Washington's attempt to rebalance its engagement in Asia, a move that drew a sharp statement from the Chinese government.
The Chinese are obviously reacting to what they fear is the American attempt to bring India into its into the ambit of its alliances and the pivot to Asia framework. So they naturally are having concerns that India will also be joining the United States.
Others feel India had little option on this grand strategy with the US because of geopolitical challenges in the region.
We have a challenge with China because the way in which China has now engaged in deep strategic cooperation with Pakistan, and what kind of an implication that has for India. This is something that the Chinese, I think, are unable to convey to India. Therefore, for India, there is only one option to my mind, and that is to increase its own comprehensive national power. And that can only be done by access to technology. And that is where I think the India-US relationship becomes relevant.
Their joint statement indicated that the attempt to reset the balance in Asia would provide opportunities for all Asia-Pacific countries to better coordinate regional security matters. With India squarely behind Washington's efforts, Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj heads to Beijing next week. India is keen to clear the air with its largest and most powerful Asian neighbor, especially with regard to being propped up as a counterbalance to China in the region. Smita Prakash, South Asia Newsline, New Delhi.